Okay guys, welcome to another Mamemeister 10-minute mashup. Now this game I've actually spoken about quite a few times. Most recently, I think it was at the Friday Waffle actually. This game is called Kong 64 and it was made by Anirog Software. Now I did stupidly say that Anirog was Roger backwards. I am of course talking pish. It's not Roger backwards, and as soon as I actually watched the video back I realised I was talking nonsense. There is some video company, I'm sure it's somebody's name backwards, but no, I think somebody pointed out it's there was two guys that actually formed the company, and Annie was the first bit of one of the guys' names and Rog was the Roger, so it was actually two names kind of bolted on. But yeah, that's not the reason I'm playing this game. This game was it was one of the first games that I saw, one of the sort of good games that I actually saw in the C64. I had a couple of games that I'd bought and they were bloody awful. My mate Brian came up with a C90 tape full of games, this being one of them. He was going to give me a copy of the tape, but I think he said he couldn't leave it or something, whatever it was. So what he did was he loaded this game, he started playing it, then Brian then left. And rather than switch the machine off and lose the game, I actually kept my computer on all night and all day. So when I got back to school or work, I can't remember exactly when it was, probably school actually, when I got back the following day from school, this game was still on, so I was able to play it. So anyway, I remember it being good back then. It's probably going to be utter shite, so let's give it a wee blast. Oh dear. I can remember that. He's got this rather large kind of nose. It is completely unforgiving. And Donkey Kong looks more like a sort of Yeti. No, he looks kind of donkey-like from... Come on! I'm gonna die here. He actually looks, Donkey Kong actually looks more like a wide receiver or something in an American football game. Looks like he's got a rugby ball in his hands. There we go, now we're talking. Come here, you. I think that's what we call a bug. I thought the whole point of having the big hammer was you couldn't die, but obviously that didn't apply to this game. Yeah, I mean graphically it's quite nice. Obviously the barrels are defying gravity because they're actually rolling on a completely flat surface. The graphics are nice, sounds not bad, it's just stupidly difficult. The mallet's going to disappear. No. You've got to be absolutely pixel perfect. Now you know what, I can't even remember if I managed to get to the second level. It's just stupidly difficult. That's going to fall down. Guaranteed, yep. That was silly. Now I know you're probably thinking, what was he on? Why on earth would you want to leave your computer on? But if you saw the two games, the only two games that I actually had, you would understand how this game seemed just incredible. I'm going to take a risk. Bollocks! I am absolutely determined to get to the second level. It should be called a donkey frustration. Obviously these games weren't play tested. I mean, it was written, the graphics and everything would have been done by the one person, and he would have been the guy that was doing the play testing. So yeah, the occasional bug would slip through. That's going to fall on my head. It's going to fall on my head. That was guaranteed. Got to say, I think I'm probably, I know you'll find this hard to believe, I'm probably doing better now at this game than I did back in the day. Come on, let me get up the ladder. Oh. No. Oh, get in. Now, actually, looking at that now, when I play this back in the day, I'd never even seen Donkey Kong in arcades. So, you know, this was as far as I was concerned, this was an original game. But it's interesting to see it's got the wee how high can you go sort of thing, which obviously you had in the arcade. Come on, get up the ladder. Way! Now I can absolutely guarantee. Bloody hell. What I was going to say there, I was going to say I can guarantee that I'm actually doing better now. Oh, that is so unfair. You know what, it's not, I've still got another 2 minutes. Ah, come on, you idiot. This would have been an excellent version if they had just tweaked it slightly. The graphics are really nice, sounds fine. Ah, oh, come on, that was nowhere near me. Absolutely nowhere near me. But this was back in the day when you could get away just putting anything out there. I was going to say any shite, that's not entirely true. Come on, 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 come on. You know, this was a shameless rip-off of Donkey Kong. Oof. Come on. Oh! I wasn't even aligned properly. Now what's interesting about this, oh no, 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 no. What's interesting about this particular version, can I go along there? Or am I going to die? Is the fact that this is actually based on the Japanese version of the game, because the second screen is actually the rivets. The Japanese one had, right, let's go along here. The Japanese one, the second screen was this one. But for some reason, what happened there? Was that out of time? Was it possibly? I'm not too sure. Oh come on, that was stupid. I'm trying to rush it here, that's just a bit silly. Balls. Yeah, whoa. Whoa, 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 sweet child of mine. Yeah, I can categorically say I'm doing a lot better now than I ever did in 1983, which probably isn't saying very much. Come on, I would love to get past this level. I can always remember seeing this particular level in the game, and it's just so frustrating. And I thought it was impossible. There was just no way I could ever get past it. And listen, that's long enough. That is the classic Kong 64 by Anirog Software on the Commodore 64. As usual guys, thank you so much for watching.